There is a general feeling that religion and science are two very different, even opposite things. This notion is not true. In fact, they may go hand in hand to help and improve the life of mankind. In pursuit of spiritual knowledge and wisdom, ancient sages of India made many heroic efforts. Several offshoots of these explorations resulted in the establishment of different fields of secular sciences which have remained bonded with religion over the millennia. The ancient Hindu scriptures of the Vedas clearly indicated this trend. Each major Veda has a secondary Veda which deals with science or another subject of humanity. Rig Veda has the Upaveda Ayurveda which deals with the sciences of medicine and health. Yajurveda has the Upaveda Dhanu Veda which deals with archery and military. Samaveda has the Upaveda Gandharveda which deals with music, and Atharvaveda has the Upaveda Stapati Veda which deals with astronomy, astrology, engineering and mathematics. Within these Upavedas is perhaps the beginning of many scientific theories. It is believed that Hindu mathematics was one of the earliest and most advanced sciences. The concept of zero and the decimal system were both discovered in India first and later passed on to the world through the Arab conquerors. Ramanujan's name was associated with the concept of infinity. Aryabhata, who lived from 476 to 520, was considered to be the first Hindu mathematician known to the world. Science in the ancient Hindu system had the full support of the religious authorities. Modern science, on the other hand, had a severe clash and resistance from Catholic Church in Europe for over 4 centuries. Several outstanding scientists such as Galileo and many others had to face merciless humiliations and hardships at the hands of the religious zealots. Science undoubtedly plays a vital role in our lives. It is the mind of the man that steers science and directs it towards many achievements. Religion, on the other hand, steers the mind and transforms it towards spiritual realization. Einstein aptly described the synergistic union between the two. Science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind. A man of science who does not have the purity and ethical morality of religion is not likely to contribute significantly to the well-being of mankind, even if he becomes highly successful in his field. It was to the credit and genius of the Hindu mind that it discovered the phenomenon of eternity. In the Rig Veda, there is a clear mention of earth coming from the sun. The Vedas recognize the sun as the primary source of all energy. In the Yajurveda, it is stated that the sun moves about its own axis and the earth rotates around the sun while the moon rotates around the earth. The Rig Veda also explains that the earth is held by the sun's attraction. The position of 9 celestial bodies, Navagraha, mentioned in the Vedas is in line with modern astronomy.